Are you struggling to find what techie career path you want to go into in the future? Is the decision of any of the DMIT courses just too tough for you to choose? Well, look no further than what Four of a Kind is here to talk to you about today. You should be trying out game design and or web design, whatever your fancy is. But don't worry, we're here to tell you about both. If you're not too sure about what either of them are, I'm about to give you a little bit of insight. Game design is all about creating the design and aesthetic of some of your favorite games and the games you might be creating in the future. Some of the games I'm talking about which might be your favorite games could be Minecraft, League of Legends, Roblox, and a whole lot more. And even the ones you could be creating in the future. Those might be your favorite games. Game design helps with making your characters, background, or just the overall design and aesthetic of your games look real. Now we go to web design. Web design is all about producing and maintaining multiple websites or just one website with the company you're working with. Some of the websites could be like Instagram, Twitter, and even Facebook, or any sort of information website or streaming website, because we know how those are. With web design, it gives you a better understanding about how websites work and how to maintain them properly, and how to work on websites as well, which is really good to know. All of these things can help produce a website or a new game just by making it through your own devices. Those devices could be laptops or computers or anything you can program with, as long as you can program it and have enough storage, because I know it takes a bit of storage. I won't pry any more time out of you. If you need to go and get a better understanding about how both web design and game design work, I recommend going to check out web design first though, which my friend Kuhn will be going more in depth about. See you later, alligator. I'm out.
In the digital world, every company requires a stunning website that can rank on the first page of search engines. The high demand of quality websites is what makes people consider the field of web design. There are different job titles are part of web design, including user experience designers, user interface designers, production designers, web designers, and front-end developers. The work is about the look of the design and the function of the website. Web designers begin each job by meeting with clients to assess their needs. They identify what kind of information clients need to convey online and how they want the site to appear. After assessing clients' needs, they code and optimize content for the website using graphics database, then test the performance quality. Web designers' abilities include knowledge of Photoshop, Sketch, or Figma. They also know computer programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Many also use SQL. Nowadays, enterprises need to develop their business through the network. Web design jobs vary by industry and company. It increases the chance of finding the right place to build a long-term career. For example, furniture store The Brick, they are hiring web designers to build their website, email, social media, and digital flyers. The Canada equipment company Finley, they are hiring UI/UX designers to create end-to-end visual and interactive experience that will solve their user experience problems. Apple needs UI engineers who are responsible for implementing and maintaining their online tools for visual perfection. According to payscale.com, the average salary for web designers is about $48,574, and it can range from $36,000 to $65,000, based on 440 salary profiles from Canada. A web designer with less than 2 years of experience makes about 58,700 Canadian per year. Web design job has received a job satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5. On average, designers are highly satisfied with their job. In Canada, the percentage of women in the workplace is 56.5%, while that of men was slightly lower at 43.5%. Web designers usually work in a modern office environment. Designers must meet with clients and supervisors to discuss projects in progress. Freelance web designers work mainly out of a home office, but they may be asked to perform some work at the client's place of business. Next, Matt is going to talk about game design.
Thank you, Kun, and hello everyone. The global video game industry is thriving, and it is on the rise today more than ever, specifically due to the unfortunate pandemic and with the practice of social distancing, reducing consumer and business activities to a minimum. Gaming offers an engaging distraction for people at home looking for social interaction. And initial data shows huge growth in playing time and sales since the lockdown began. It is estimated that the global gaming market will amount to about 268 billion US dollars annually in 2025, up from about 178 billion US dollars in 2021. North America is set to remain the top grossing gaming market worldwide despite strong growth in the Asian region. So, if you are considering a career in the video game industry, you are taking the right step forward. One of the promising careers in the industry is to be a video game designer. Video game design is fairly recent. The duties of the game designer used to be done by the programming team. But as video games became more complex, consoles and computers became more powerful, the job of the game designer became separate from the lead programmer. And now game design became an essential role in the production of the game. Video game design is designing the gameplay, environment, storyline, and characters in the production stage. The designer is the visionary of the game and controls the artistic and technical elements of the game in fulfillment of the studio or the artist's vision. A game designer might work alone or as a part of a larger team. The focus of a game designer is designing gameplay that results in a great experience for the players. Four of a Kind has conducted research into the possible career opportunities for game design, and these are our results. And this is our results, which you will also find on our website. Some of the possible career paths that one could have with a game design diploma are level designer, character artist, animator, or graphic artist. Among the responsibilities a video game designer might take on, experience with commercial game engines, such as the infamous Unreal Engine, experience with scripting languages and coding skills, prioritize design solutions dynamically based on product and team needs. Among the video game studios hiring in Alberta at the moment are Beamdog, EA, and BioWare, and many more hiring in other parts of Canada. The average salary for a video game designer is about $53,000. It can start from about $38,000 up to 78,000 a year. It also comes with great benefits. A game designer might have 2 weeks of flexible vacation, plus a 2-week holiday per year, generous sick and personal days, vision, dental, and extended health benefits. According to CareerExplorer.com, video game designers rate their career happiness about 4.2 out of 5 stars. However, it seems that in the field of video game careers, job satisfaction may differ greatly depending on the company. So, we here at For of a Kind recommend that you do further research in the company that you are considering applying to, looking at the rate of both the employer's satisfaction and the number of employees they may have let go. For more information, please visit our website. And now we go to my teammate Ashu for the conclusion. Thank you very much.